The area of a square field is 80,244 by 729 square meters. Then the length of each side is, here 80,244 by 729 is a mixed fraction. We have to convert this to improper fraction. How? Simple. 729 into 80 plus 244. So 58564 upon 729. Okay. This is the area of the square field now. Now we have to find the area each side. So quite easy now. Two separate numbers, numerator and denominator. Find the square root of each number. So 58564 and 729 over here. Always remember one basic which I have told in every video of mine for square roots. Make groups of 2 and from right to left before the point and left to right after the point. Here there is no point, means the point is to the right. So 64, 85 and 5. These are the two groups. So start. 2 2s are 4. Then 1 remains, 185. 44 4s are 176. Then 964. 482 into 2, that is, and this 729 is, in fact you should know this, we should not be doing this. 729 is a square of 27. That's why I say learn squares up to 30, tables up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. So this time is not wasted. Okay, you can try this if you don't know. So 2 2, then 4 down, then 329, 47 7s, that's okay. So 27 is the square root. So the fraction becomes what now? Fraction is now 242 upon 27. So just divide it. It becomes 8.96 meters. That's the required answer. Next is state true or false. First, the square root of 0.9 is 0.3. Is it true? That is false. Why? See here. Square root of 0.9 is what? This is not